My name is Kathy Schaefer, and I am the Division Chief of Administration and the Fire Marshal for the cities of Fullerton and Brea. I've worked for the cities for over almost 30 years, and so I've been on an engine for 25 years, and then I've been as a chief for the last 4. A day without water in the fire service, I think it'd be pretty much impossible. I don't think we could do it. Let's talk physiologically. So a body needs water to hydrate, and as you know, firefighting is a very strenuous job. And so we have to hydrate, every hour we're drinking water, we're trying to replenish what we've lost through wearing our turnouts and our wildland uniforms and just every day. So we have to keep hydrated. When we go to a house fire, we hook up to a hydrant, and we automatically know that a hydrant is going to supply us with a lot of water to put out a fire. So if we go to a hydrant and you open it up and there's no water coming out, I think panic would probably strike. And what are we going to do next? How are we going to be able to put out this fire? So if we actually go to it and there's no water available to us, it's going to be stand by and make sure nothing else catches on fire, or just watch it burn. I can't even imagine what we would do on a house fire if we didn't have water. It seems like we're always in a drought here in California. There's never enough water for us. And with the heavy rains that we did have in the wintertime, the brush has gotten so dry and so tall that it's just a matter of when, not if, for us here in California. And so a day without water would be pretty much impossible for a firefighter.